In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new account in QuickBooks, which can help you streamline your financial management. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to QuickBooks. Once there, take a moment to ensure you're logged into your account. If you haven't done so already, use your username and password to access the QuickBooks homepage. This is where all your financial insights land, and from here we'll make our way to creating a new account in just a few easy steps. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left side menu panel. Here you'll see a variety of options. You'll want to click on Transactions. This section is your go-to for all transaction data and financial activities, making it a crucial step on our journey today. Now that you've opened the Transactions page, find the Chart of Accounts option. Give that a click. The Chart of Accounts is essentially the backbone of your QuickBooks setup. It's where all accounts, assets, liabilities, income, and expenses are categorized, which makes tracking and managing the financial elements of your business much easier. On the Chart of Accounts page, your next move is to find and click on New Account. Here is where the magic happens, as you can now set up additional accounts tailored to your business needs. As you create your new account, the first order of business is to type in the account name. This step is straightforward yet essential. You want a name that you'll recognize at a glance, which will save you time in the future and make navigating through QuickBooks a breeze. Next, select the account type, which in our case will be long-term liabilities. This is vital because it ensures that your financial data is categorized correctly, reflecting the true state of your business finances. After choosing the account type, you'll want to specify the detail type. For the purposes of this guide, then go ahead and select Other Long-Term Liabilities. This choice further narrows down the category and adds more precision to how your data is organized. You'll then come across a field where you can enter the unpaid balance of the account. Enter a dollar amount that accurately reflects your current situation. The next field you'll fill in is the As Of date. This specifies the point in time that reflects the unpaid balance. It's a small step, but critical for accuracy in your records. Optionally, at this point, you can add a description for your account. This could be anything you feel would give you more context or clarity in the future when reviewing your accounts. Once you've completed all these steps, simply click on Save. This final action ensures all your inputs are securely stored and your new account is ready for use in your QuickBooks setup. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a new account in QuickBooks, streamlining your financial management processes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.